You can make a well-done steak that is just as great as medium rare, whatever you have it. And this is how you can do it, okay? Grab you 2 ribeye steaks, drop them in a baking dish, a couple big pinches of coarse salt, a couple big pinches of whole peppercorns. You want to go in with some fresh garlic, go in with some fresh rosemary and thyme, go easy on the rosemary, go in with some low sodium beef broth, go ahead and cover your steaks, cover with aluminum foil, cover with a baking dish, into your oven until, you want your steaks at this point, you want them to be pokeable, easily pokeable with a fork or a probe, but you don't want them to be falling all apart. Drop those straight onto some high quality paper towels, strain that broth. That stuff is liquid gold. You can drink it, okay? Pat those steaks very dry in a separate cast iron pan, medium high heat, 4 tablespoons of butter. You just want to sear the steaks 1 minute per side, okay? Pour all of that butter right over. Let those rest before slicing. In the meantime, we're going to make a killer ramen. Water, that broth, green onion bottoms. Maruchan noodles are better than top ramen, okay? Look at this freaking beef. It shreds like butter. Oh my goodness, y'all. Make this recipe. Jammy egg, broth. Oh my goodness. Chili oil, green onion, sesame seeds. What are you talking about, y'all? Make this recipe. Follow me for more because, oh my goodness. Woo.